What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Big Gab, and you know I'm here. My birthday's a couple days away, so I'm gonna just be vlogging like all my maintenance stuff, my nails, my hair, my toes, all that good stuff. So I just got to my nail appointment, and look how this girl surprised me, y'all. She got me balloons and flowers. She's stepping harder than y'all men. Very much harder than y'all men. And that's why she's my girl. And I'm not cheating on her. I'm Gucci. I got mine. You get yours. Period. I feel so special, y'all. I really do. My flowers are so cute and vibrant. I dare you. Hit me if you want a ticket. You laughing, I'm being serious.
I know you are. They would love me to give them a ticket.
We got the tips on, so we decided to go with C, don't talk about C curve. Regular curve tips. I like the talons. So don't get smacked. You know what I'm talking about? I actually took this from my little cousin. Actually, he got this from Fashion Nova Men. And I just took it from him. But y'all, we got all this on the table.
You know,
cause we're about to get to work for real. We got all this stuff. We got this little net stuff. We got these charms right here. We're not using this. I could remove this from my site. We got some holographic stars. We got the netting. We got some pearls. We got some water beads. We got the little zodiac charm. We got chains, chrome hearts, spider gel, Eeyore and friends, and some money, and some, no, it ain't crack, but you know, yeah, we finna get to it. All right, so y'all, we got one hand, acrylic is laid. You really can't tell what it is, and I love that, because it's gonna be a surprise in the end, but it's a whole lot going on. Trust the process is gonna be fire, fuego. I kept the full tips because, yeah, I like that. Look. And then once you go ahead and sharpen them, shape them, and you know, get them cut and crisp, they're not gonna be fucking with me. It's just not.
I really gotta try that now.
Oh my gosh, you're not finna drug a dog.
That's not a drug.
Yes, it is. It's gas. They getting high technically.
You mean?
It's just.
I'm gonna Google it, and if they not finna die, I'm finna do it.
I don't think they finna die, but it's still drugging them because you're giving them a gas that alters their voice.
Okay, dogs smoke weed. They hot box too.
Dogs
all
don't
that.
get high. I know a cat that like to get high.
Yo, my brother's cat. Listen, cats with catnip, bitch. We not even talking about weed. Catnip is go crazy. You never seen that?
I don't.
Catnip is like literal weed for cats.
It make them go to sleep?
No, they literally like, bro.
Go crazy over
yo,
it?
if you rub catnip on a rag, they will. They literally look crazy, bro. You gotta see that shit. Let me ask my brother for a video.
Oh my gosh. That's
video.
tweaking out for real. She really sat up here and said, if it's catnip on a rag, the cat gonna go like. I don't know what I expect her to do, but I did not expect her to do all of that. Like, okay, so we almost done with the second hand. I lost a tip, but we're gonna get it back right. And the first hand we're pretty much about to be done on until we shape it up. But how you doing? So we're back again. Yes, I'm better than all of them. An application done, shaped and filed. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the nitty gritty and do all them designs. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? I'm excited for my nails to be done because this is my favorite part about my beauty. But the hair, but the lashes, the nails. Most important thing, hands down. The top coat is going on now. I just want y'all to know this set is unlike anything you've ever seen in your life. And I mean it 100%. My lashes is like, oh y'all, it's crack of dawn. I'm just kidding, y'all. It's in the middle of the night though. It's like, what time it is? It's 2:51. And we having fun. We about to finish up. Don't think we just begun. I'm about to get in the stew tomorrow.
Oh my god.
I might go buy a shoe tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Let me not. We just finished the set, y'all. But look. Please get into it, okay? Get into it. Y'all not like, oh, okay. You know what? Okay, so y'all, I'm at my hair appointment now. What is this in my hair? I forgot my hair oil, and that just made me so upset. I don't know what this piece of lint is in my hair, but I'm gonna get it out. So we about to get all of this together and bright and tight and nice. I forgot my lip liner. That's so sad to me, but it's okay. Still a bit cute. I'm ready to get my hair done. I might go to the corner store because she ain't ready. And I'm hungry. Spaghetti.
After this one more. And then I'd be okay. I'd be gone.
We did the braided of the downy. You don't want to be in the camera? Well, I got a rag on. I got faces away because of light, but yeah, we got the braid down going in. So we gonna go in with the cap and, you know, do what we do. So I'll be back probably when I'll be back. But we got the cap on. I done took me a nap under the dryer. I don't know how I fell asleep under that dryer. It was like, I got so hot to the point where I just had to think about blankness. And then I fell asleep. Like, that's literally what happened. I was so hot. I'm like, oh my gosh. This is blowing from every direction. I am burning up. But I want my to be flat though. Beauty is pain. I'm gonna thug it out. We about to slap this little wig on or whatever. I'm excited, y'all. I'm getting old for real.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You only turned, what, 20?
Yes, but I'm getting old.
That is not getting old.
Yes, huh?
Very much. Bro, when I turned 25, I was like devastated.
Why?
I felt like I'm damn near 30.
Cause you is.
Like, ooh. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. I felt like I was having a midlife crisis when I turned 25.
At 25?
Yes. I'm like, you know, like when you're in school, you're thinking like, when you were younger and you were in school, you're like, oh, by the time I'm 25, I'm going to be married and I'm going to have a...
Everybody thinks that. But I'm going to be married at 25. I don't know about y'all. I will have me a husband. That's good.
I'll probably be married when I'm 26 too.
Like, and I want to
I'll probably be married when I'm 25. Like,
so you think you was like you want my...
I felt like I was having a midlife crisis when I turned 25.
At 25?
When I turned 25, I was like devastated.
So you finna get married like right now, soon?
I believe it.
Child. Anyway, so...
You think he finna pop the question?
Well, we finna buy a house, so we already talked about going to the
Oh yeah, if y'all buying a house, then y'all definitely getting married. Y'all already got a dog and some motion. Y'all basically got a child already.
I got a child.
That's not y'all's child?
That's her stepdaddy.
Oh, who her real daddy?
If 2 plus 2 is 4, right? And 5 plus 5 is 10, okay. What the fuck is this?
It be like that. Well, at least he stepped up. I don't know what it is, but like I'd be obsessed with like
Come back here, babe.
how I look with just a bald cap.
You like the way you look at the ball cap?
Yeah, I have so many selfies in my phone when I take my wig off before I take.
Why?
Because I think I just look cute bald. Like I could really pull off having no hair.
Oh my god.
You don't think so? I would just have to have my face beat all the time. I think I could get away with it. My head not big. It's just
a shortcut.
It's a little. When you gonna do it, ma'am?
I don't know.
That's the problem. I can't find no stylist. Everybody know how to do it on relaxed hair.
You want to cut your hair?
No, that's what I'm saying. I just
you
want
want
to
like on the wig?
Yes, or a 27 piece or something.
I said we'd have to try that. I don't
exactly. So when we gonna try it?
No. You gotta bring a wig. We need a good lace though, like.
We could go to number 1.
No one ain't got no good laces.
And oh.
That's where I got this wig from.
Hmm?
That's where I got that wig from.
But it ain't what you gonna do? You gonna do a color?
What? If we do the short? I don't know. You the stylist. I just want something on my head that's cute. That's it, that's all. We doing the side part, middle part. What we doing?
I'm trying to think because I know you want to do something different.
I really do.
I was thinking of something, but I don't know. I never did it or seen it.
I'm down for whatever. I just want to look different. I know you're not going to have me out here looking crazy, so I trust that part of it.
Yeah, but I've never seen it. I mean, shit, let's just do it.
We ball.
We'll just see.
Twice a dime, I'm 25. Okay, so y'all. Ooh. Ooh. I want to tell you is like, I hate it.
That's good. I'm trying to go home.
No, I love it. It is so cute, y'all. It's about to be my birthday, Michelle. She's so done with me, y'all. She got 2 more heads to do. She want me to get up and get out. I can feel it in my spirit.
My spirit tell you right. You've been listening to God lately.
I have. You think I'm lying?
Put this pin right here. Let me put this pin right here. Let me put it right here.
Ooh, I'm about to go eat me some good food.
Where you going?
You better take a video of me. I ain't do my makeup for nothing.
Girl.
I feel cute and it's my birthday tomorrow. And what? I'm finna clock in the morning when I am unaware when I get to my lash appointment. But yeah, nails check, hair check. Yeah.
Oh, she lying.
Don't do that. Sorry, y'all. It's the next day. Hair done. Nails done. Or 2 days. So now I'm getting my lashes done. It's my birthday eve. My birthday is tomorrow. I'm so tired. I just want to go in bed. And I think my period about to come. Child. But yeah, we just gonna go ahead and get these lashes together real quick, and then I'm gonna come back once we done. We got the lashes done. My eyes are a little swollen right now from the tape, but that's gonna go down. But yeah, y'all. These is the lashes. Get into them, real fluffy, real nice. I gotta fix my hair again, but yeah, man. I love them. They're nice and fluffy. Giving Stella Wella Rosa. And yeah, I was gonna get bottoms, but
No, thank you.
Plus, I be wearing makeup like a lot. These are lashes. I wanna take this off so y'all can see my hair again. I gotta fix it, y'all. Ooh. No, I think one of my hair came out.
Your hair?
Yeah, I just got one of these bobby pins just fell out.
Yeah, like, what style was it? I just thought it was a half and half down.
It is, but it was like pinned up. I gotta redo this thing.
You comb it.
I gotta comb it out. I don't got nothing to comb
Okay,
it
you
out
like 'em?
with. We at 10, y'all. Yeah, I've never been here before, and I don't know if it's gonna be good, but I hope that it's good. I hope it's good. We're gonna try it. I ordered some pot stickers and some ramen with noodles, so I hope it's actually good.
Yeah, I need that back.
It's about to be my birthday.
I don't see you no more. Red Bull.
AJ McCraw, you know, follow my shit.
Oh yeah, subscribe to his channel. He's not on Instagram right now, but subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, everybody gonna know who I am when they see me.
Nobody's gonna know right now. Watch.
I just went to your YouTube. And I went to your followers. It's on Instagram. A lot of people know me on your shit.
Whoop-de-doo. So y'all, these are pot stickers. That's the ramen. This what Kendrick
my
got.
Yeah.
He got all that extra stuff. I don't like all of that. I know, but I don't like all of that.
You never even had it.
I don't like all of that. Like I said, I do not like all of that. We're back. That food was so good. I got full so fast. I recorded it before. Everything. Ugh. Anyways, the food was good. I would come back. The pot stickers that I ordered was bad, but he got some fried chicken. Yeah. They're gonna give me a fork.
She used a fork.
And I did. And what?
Hackdown, Smackdown, and something.
No, it was good. It was good.
Wrestling 8-bit.
I would give it a 8 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Like,
It's really good. If you like that type of food. I like it, but it's still an acquired taste for me.
there's like one or
So I ate it and it was really good, but it's not something that I could just probably do all the time.
Jason.
Definitely.
It's once a month. Every 2-3
They didn't.
Yeah.
Maybe once a month.
A section of the company.
I got side on